Today we unbox the MOTO G 5S. Hey guys, my name is Sahal and you are watching Get Result. So without wasting a second, let's get started.
Hello Moto.
So this is how the box looks like, and as you can see, MOTO G 5S has written on the top of the box. So let's talk about the specifications first. It comes with 5.2 inches Full HD display. It has the 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, and you get 16 MB rear facing camera and 5 MB front facing camera with a LED flash, and also have a 3000 mAh powerful battery. So let's unbox it and let's see what will you get in the box. So the first thing is the smartphone, and this is the 4GB plus 32GB variant. Just like the G5S Plus, the build seems to be updated. Let me give it to the side and let's see what else we get. So we got a quick start guide with the readme guide, and again some more paperwork, and we also get the USB cable. We also get the headset. As you can see, this is the very ordinary headset that they have supplied. As you can see, this is completely plastic. So let's look at the power adapter. Yes, it's a fast charger. MOTO G5S included turbo power charger, provides up to 5 hours of battery life just in 50 minutes. And you will get a SIM ejecting tool. To the front on top, we have a wide angle 5 megapixel front facing camera and calling speaker, a LED flash and a calling sensor. And MOTO G5S has a fingerprint sensor at the bottom. At the back side of the MOTO G5S, there is a 16 megapixel fast focusing camera with an LED flash, and also have a microphone at the top. The new MOTO G5S has the all metal unibody design. To the right side, there is a power button and the volume rockers. To the left, there is a tray that can take either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and an SD card. To the bottom, we got the micro USB port and the primary microphone and speaker. And the top, we got the headphone jack. So let me try to boot this up for the first time.
Hello Moto.
So I have just finished setting up this device, and I hadn't done anything. I just only added a Google account. The fingerprint scanner is here. Let's check that. And as you can see, it's very fast. It's unlocking quickly. Just tap on it, it unlocks. The MOTO G5S also have the Moto Action. You can turn on your camera at any time by just tossing your phone. And also you can turn on your flashlight at any time by just doing like this. Okay, so let's see what is the Android version that we are getting with this one. As you can see, it says Android version 7.1.1 that we are getting, so it's a now good. Let's go back and let's quickly check the camera. Again, the app look very familiar like other Motorola devices. There we also have the Pro mode, and you can change the shutter speed, ISO, something like that. So here are some sample pics that I have shot with this device around my home. So guys, that's it for now for this quick unboxing. If you have any specific question regarding this device, do post your questions at the comment box. And if you are still not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button for subscribing my channel.